What we're doing here today is replacing the air filter on a Twin Cam Harley Davidson. You're going to need a 5/16 Allen wrench, and you're going to remove the center bolt there. Next we'll take and wiggle the chrome cover off. To remove the 3 screws holding the air filter to the bike, you'll need a T27 Torx bit to remove them. I'll save. You can then simply slide the air filter off, and there is a little breather hose for the crankcase fumes to burn on the back. We'll disconnect those. Okay. Part number for the new air filter is 29461-99. It's a Harley Davidson part number. We'll go ahead and put that mounting bracket for the chrome cover on the outside of the air filter and slip the bolts through. Then we'll put it up towards the machine and reconnect those breathers. Okay, we're ready to install the new air filter. The bracket has a little notation on here that says down, and we'll go ahead and attach our breather hoses on the back and then line the screws up. We'll tighten these up just a little over snug. Okay, we wipe out the inside of the air box, and we'll go ahead and put the cover on, put our center bolt in there, and tighten that down.